All right, number 1 says Sylvia paid $7.47 for 3 boxes of cereal. What was the cost per box of cereal? So since it's cost per box, that means for 1 box. So we're going to do the cost over the number of boxes. So this would be $7.47 over 3. This is basically finding the unit price. So that means you just do the costs divided by 3. So I'm going to move my decimal up. 3 goes into 7 twice. 3 can go into 14 4 times. That'll be 12. Got 2 left over. Bring down the 7. 3 goes into 27 9 times. So that means for 1 box, it is $2.49. So your answer is A.